So I don't know, I've heard a lot of people talking about a death wobble or whatever on the Jeeps. And so I put new hubs on there, and I put new wheels on there, and the death wobble got worse. So I jacked it up just now, and well, this is what I found. Now just pay attention to right here. You know, look in this area. Now, just to rule out the camera, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna try and make it a little balanced here. There, maybe this is better. I don't think that that is supposed to be there. We're gonna figure that out.